Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Now, to combine your cards, select My Gift Cards, and pick one of your cards from the list. Next, select Combine, and it will bring up a list of your other cards. Choose another card from the list and select Combine.
Take our lead.
You can 100% purchase Target gift cards with other Target gift cards. Simply find the sum of all the gift cards, scan a new gift card for that amount and then use the old ones to pay. A bit tedious, but it is the only way to combine gift cards now.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Amazon today announced that customers can now send electronic Amazon gift cards to recipients via text message or messaging apps. On the gift card purchase page, there is now text message and messaging app for delivery options.
Take our lead.
On the back of your Target Visa gift card you'll find directions that include a toll-free number. This automated number will assist you with the gift card balance. It's important to note that you'll need the 16-digit gift card number on the front of the card in addition to the PIN on the back.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.